Hi everyone, I'm Domingo, the accounting rep with Voyage Employer Services. Welcome back to the final video in our series on how to properly fill out the W-4 form. In this video, we're covering steps 3, 4, and 5, and I'll also remind you why using the IRS Tax Estimator is a smart move. Now, step 3 is where you let your employer know how many dependents under the age of 17 you'll have by the end of the tax year. This is important because currently there's a child tax credit that allows taxpayers to receive up to $2,000 for each qualifying child. To check if your child qualifies, visit the link in the description. Now, if you choose not to fill out this section, your employer won't adjust your withholdings for the credits that you're eligible for. That means you could be paying more taxes throughout the year than necessary. And while overpaying taxes can be refunded to you, your paycheck may be smaller than it needs to be if you don't claim your qualifying children in this section. Now, step 4 allows you to make additional adjustments to your withholding. There are 3 options here. Option number 1 is where you report other income not from jobs. This is where you enter income from sources like interest, dividends, or retirement income that won't have automatic tax withholding. Number 2 is if you plan to itemize beyond the standard deduction. You're going to enter them here in this section. Like the child tax credit, if you don't include this, your employer won't adjust your withholding and you may wind up paying more in taxes than necessary. And then the last one, number 3, is extra withholding. If you anticipate a salary increase or other changes that might increase your tax liability, you can request additional federal tax withholding per paycheck to reduce the chances of owing money at the end of the year. Now, step 5 is super simple. All you have to do is sign and date the form. And then the last line of the form is for your employer to complete, so leave that blank. Finally, I strongly recommend using the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator to determine the most accurate amounts for every section of this form. Now, you're going to need a few things. Your most recent pay stub for all your jobs and your spouse's too, if applicable. Information on any side jobs that you're going to have, self-employment income or investments, and your most recent tax return if available. So that's all for today. If you found this information helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more payroll tips. You've got this. And if you need help, don't hesitate to ask someone or reach out to your tax professional. See you next time.